there! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of Getyn Social, your ultimate social media management tool. If you're ready to streamline your social media game and save tons of time, you're in the right place. Let's get started. All right, step 1. From the side menu, click on Account Manager. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a list of popular social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and more. Connecting your profiles is a breeze. Just select the channel you want to connect and authenticate Getyn Social with your social media account. Follow the on-screen steps and bam, you're connected. Now that your channels are connected, let's move to the Composer section on the side menu. This is your creative playground. On the left, we have the Media section, where you can pick an image or video from your media library. Need to add new media? No problem. Head over to the File Manager and upload your awesome content. In the midsection, you can select multiple social channels to post on at once. Yes, you heard that right. No more jumping between apps. After selecting your channels, craft your post by adding captivating content, captions, hashtags, and emojis. You can choose your post type, whether it's a normal text post, story, or reel. Ready to post? You can either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. How cool is that? On the right, you'll see a preview of your post. Want to see how it looks on different platforms? Just click on the social media tabs like Facebook, Instagram, etc. and get a sneak peek before it goes live. Let's do a quick post and see how it works. Super! Isn't that cool? So there we have done a successful test post using Getyn Social on a Facebook page. Once your post is published, head over to the Schedule section from the sidebar. Here, you'll see a clear calendar view of your posts. The Queue section shows all your upcoming posts. The Publish section lists everything that's already live, and the Unpublished section is where your drafts hang out. Everything you need, all in one place. And now, for all the data enthusiasts out there, let's check out the Analytics section. Click on Analytics in the left sidebar to get detailed insights on each social media channel. Track your followers, impressions, reach, profile visits, engagements, and more. See how your posts are performing, analyze channel growth, and make informed decisions with intuitive charts and graphs. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide to get you started with Getyn Social. Supercharge your social media management and automate your posting process in minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome videos on Getyn Social. Stay tuned and keep rocking your social media. See you next time. Bye for now.